And no shade, I don't care who be in my views. I'm posting what I want to post. This is my social media. I run this over here. I'm the brand manager. This is my brand. You think I'm finna dictate what I'm finna post because you're watching it, she watching it, she watching it, and y'all got your eyes on me? I don't really care. I only live once. YOLO. This is mine. I'm the comedian. I told y'all that. I am the influencer. I am the brand ambassador for me. This is my representation. Why would I change that for somebody else? I don't want to fit in with none of y'all. Never did. I've always been me. I'm always going to be me. I'm always going to be unique. What Beyonce said? Exactly. I don't really vibe with that. Like, I gotta watch what I'm posting because you finna see it. No, you're gonna see it. You're gonna have your take on it, and you're gonna move. And if you have something to say, slide up. We can have a conversation. No shade. Like, I'm not deleting I'm not deleting anything.